deception, but the medication swallowed my mind. Men touch my